Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the day that I've been waiting for probably since I bought this car. I've gotten so excited for it and it's finally happening. I am so excited. It is the day that we get to weld the roll bar in the FRS and I am so excited because that means we are super close to being able to drive this car on the track. So we just pulled the seats out and now we're starting the process of getting the car prepped to start welding in the roll bar. And I am so excited. So let's jump into it. Prepping. Alrighty, so now we're just marking where we need to prep the inside of the car to start welding. So just marking all the spots. Don't know how well you can see this. Then we're gonna drill, bolt it in, make sure everything's fitting right, and then start welding. Also peep these nails. Sneak peek, this is what it's gonna look like. I am so hyped! Okay, so we got the bolts in, or at least the majority of them, and now we're gonna start welding. Finished putting the cage in, I decided to go ahead and put the harnesses in when I put the seats back, and I am so happy I did because it looks so good. And I don't know if I could have waited honestly any longer to see it all together. I'm so happy and I'm so excited because this really means that we're gonna be ready right away when we get back after quarantine. And I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, hopefully very soon on the track with the FRS.